Mabuhay, future Filipino scientists. Welcome to your crash course in biodiversity assessment, contextualized right here in the beautiful Philippines. Biodiversity research is crucial for understanding and protecting the variety of life around us. We'll show you how to start your first scientific field project. The Philippines is a global biodiversity hotspot. Your research contributes directly to protecting our unique forests, coasts, and rivers. This is why your work is so important. We will guide you step by step through the entire research process, from planning and legal prep to fieldwork and data analysis. Every great project starts with solid planning. Let's look at defining your project's scope and goals. Start local. Identify a problem in your nearby environment, perhaps deforestation in a forest, pollution effects on a river, or coral degradation in a coastal area. Your questions and objectives must be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity guides your entire project. Before stepping into the field, you must understand the rules. Ethical and legal preparation protects you, your research, and the environment. Collecting biological specimens, especially vertebrates, requires proper authorization. Be aware of the DENR regulations and the need to secure a gratuitous permit for legal field research. Practice leave no trace principles. Minimize disturbance to the site, treat all organisms with respect, and always prioritize safety over data collection. This phase is about creating a blueprint for how and where you will collect your data to ensure validity. Choose a site that fits your research question, whether it's a coastal area like a mangrove or an accessible urban green space near your school. You'll likely use quadrats for plant surveys, transects for linear observation across habitats, or point counts for observing mobile organisms like birds. Now that you have your design, let's talk about the practical techniques for collecting specimens and data in the field. Use sweep nets for insects, light traps at night, and simple visual observation and photography for birds or larger fauna. Remember proper handling and preservation techniques. Always record your data immediately, accurately, and consistently. Use clear labels for location, date, time, and observer, whether using a physical notebook or a digital tablet. Fieldwork is done. Now for the exciting part, analyzing your raw data to draw meaningful conclusions about biodiversity. You don't need expensive software. Past and Jamovi are free, user-friendly tools that are perfect for calculating statistics and various biodiversity indices. Learn to calculate the Shannon Index and Simpson's Index. These numerical values help you interpret the species' richness and evenness of your study area. You've successfully completed the research process. Now, let's wrap up with some final tips for success. Avoid rushing your sampling and skipping the legal steps. Pro tip: collaborate with experts and always back up your data. We are excited for your research journey. Continue to learn, explore, and protect the incredible biodiversity of the Philippines. Good luck and happy researching.